check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm going to toss baseball 22 series 2. I'm applying an autograph, relic card, 67 cards per pack. Look for the exclusive royal blue base card. Okay. I know, I better look finding. I like these kind of packs. I could find something there. At least come with one big pack instead of like 3 or 4 different small packs. My opinion. Because my opinion doesn't mean jack anymore. First one. Spider. Yeah. Oh, Chris Sales. Josh Harris. What's it? Ula. I can see his name. I'm gonna try. Josh Van Mentor. J.D. Davis. Ryan. Jeff. Lewis. Dallas. Okay, so New York Mets. They're happy about something. Luke Bolt. Okay, so yeah, dugout celebration going on. So yeah, 67 cards. Billy saw. You got Bright. Next is Mark. There you go. They won something special. He was a bad boy. Bad boy. Got caught. Taking out a bunch of his cards. He when he did bad boys, he buy a bunch of cards. With the worst luck. Sexton. Right, Peachy Star. Polo. Maybe Ellen. I don't know how you play the team right now. Who is it? Camera rights all the players. Kevin Smith. See something coming in pretty. Ah. Okay, okay. Got a blue, yellow, good Guardians now. Star, All-Star. You know, not too happy to change their name, but you know, well, you can't please everybody. Fear bad. Walker, yeah. Lure. Not play. It's kind of cool to have like old 19, you know, tops. 87 tops. Buster Posey retired this year, and the game probably. Wiener. So from report made fun of I think his hairstyle and he got fired. Stupid people. People say stupid things. He's having a good year, I guess. Should we check? Or attention what players are doing a lot better, honestly. Person sorry about something. Max Mercy. There's a player for the A's that single A baseball has the same name as him, and his comments like, "I'm not him." Feature, right? Yeah. Trying to find an autograph. My Mercury's calling for me. Ty. And Toronto talent. Well, no autographs. No relic. So let me know, like and subscribe me, do better next time. Thanks for watching.